In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a shareable link in Google Drive in 2020. Whether you're sharing documents with colleagues or sending photos to friends, having an accessible link directly from your Google Drive can make the sharing process seamless. Let's dive right into it. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google Drive. You can do this by typing Google Drive into your search bar and selecting the appropriate link, or by directly entering drive.google.com into your address bar. Once you've done that, you'll be prompted to log in with your Google account if you aren't already. It's essential that you use the account associated with the files you intend to share. Now that you're in your Google Drive, scroll through your files to find the specific file or folder you wish to share. It could be a document, spreadsheet, presentation, or even a folder of related files. When you've located your file, click to highlight it. If it's a folder you want to share instead, simply click on the folder's name. After selecting your file or folder, look towards the top right corner of the Google Drive interface. You should see an icon depicting a chain link, usually labeled Get Link. Clicking on this icon will open a new window where you can customize the sharing settings. In this new window, you'll notice two main sections: People with Access and General Access. The People with Access section allows you to specify particular individuals who can view or edit your file. However, for a shareable link that allows broader access, focus on the General Access section. In the General Access area, you'll see a default setting, typically set to Restricted, which means only specific people can access your file. To change this, click on the drop-down menu next to it. Here, you'll have a couple of choices: anyone with the link or anyone in your organization with the link, depending on your account type and preferences. Unless you're specifically sharing within an organization, anyone with the link is usually the go-to option. After you've selected anyone with the link, you'll notice another drop-down that dictates what level of access others will have. This can be set to Viewer, Commenter, or Editor. Choose Viewer if they should only view the file, Commenter if feedback is needed, or Editor if they should make changes. Once you've configured your settings, click the Copy Link button at the bottom of the window. You've now got a shareable link ready to be distributed. You can paste this link anywhere, in an email, chat message, or on social media. And there you have it. You've successfully generated a shareable link from Google Drive. This method is a quick way to make sure your files reach the right people efficiently and safely. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.